Meaning of electric razor.
Electric razor.
Electric razor.
Electric razor.
Electric razor. An electric razor is a grooming tool used for shaving that operates on electricity, rather than manual effort like traditional razors. It typically features rotating blades protected by a metal foil, which cuts hair close to the skin without causing irritation. The main benefit of using an electric razor is speed and convenience. They can be used dry or wet, and often have rechargeable batteries for use on the go. Additionally, they tend to produce less nicks and cuts compared to traditional razors, resulting in smoother, hair-free skin.